Hey, Dad's about to come in. Mr. Jason. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dad. Happy birthday to you.
You make this cake yourself?
Yes, love. How old are you?
36.
How old are you?
36.
You look like a monkey.
Does this say LA?
It does say LA.
Lakers?
Lakers. Well, I kind of ran out of frosting, but it says Lakers.
It's the real deal. LA Lakers, boy.
Whenever you're ready.
Alright, blow them out.
But they're not trick candles, don't worry. Yay! I had to give you a kind of fun atmosphere to blow out your candles.
Okay, I see.
It's a white cake. I know you. I've been working on that cake for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's why I was like picking you up.
Yeah, I was gonna walk home.
I wouldn't make the birthday boy walk home on his birthday. Yeah, you haven't all up to something. You know me.
I want to drop the movies off and wait like another 10 minutes just in case, you know, let's do what you're going to do. I first thought surprised I thought my mama was going to be here.
Aww.
I thought my mama was going to be here, but it's all good.
Maybe next year.
I got a text from her.
You did?
Yeah, I got you.
You can call her on my phone. And the babies helped me decorate, see? Dodger and Roger helped me.
And then she decorated your stuff.
I
I didn't see the purple one. Oh, yeah. This is all good.
It's a real live Laker cake.
Mm-hmm.
Laker! For the ultimate Laker fan.
Yeah, baby. I hope my boy Kobe Bryant comes back this year and puts it down like he's supposed to. For the SmackDown, I hope he's healthy.
Do you know how old he is?
Doesn't matter. He still got it. He still got the juice. He still got it.
I got some vanilla ice cream and caramel topping. So what does the birthday boy want for his birthday?
Some shish kebabs.
Oh, I knew you were going to say that.
Rice. Corn on the cob.
Spoken like a real Puerto Rican.
And watch a good movie. Oh, big glass of Coca-Cola.
Ooh.
And watch a good movie.
Is that all you want?
Spend the rest of the night with my wife, and I'm happy with that.
I was wondering. I'm at the bottom of the list, yo.
It's the real deal right here.
Ready to cut that cake open?
Yeah,
It's literally like fresh out the oven. Seriously. I had to put it in the freezer when I left so that frosting would melt off, so I didn't have the air on. It's white cake.
I don't need a knife.
I get it.
Yeah.